course, there's a lot of video editing app for smartphone 2025. And there's one question that should be going through your mind right now, especially as a beginner. You'll be asking like, which one is the best? Which one should I start with? Yes, this happened to me when I started video editing, when I was learning video editing. And that is the reason why I am here today to tell you the best video editing app for smartphone and the best one for you, especially as a beginner. A few months ago, I made this video talking about the best video editing app for beginners 2025. Not even for beginners, for everybody. Like best mobile video editing app in 2025. But sadly, this my channel was somehow taken down. So here I am again to tell you the best video editing app for you, especially as beginner in the year 2025. So in this video, I stated that there are 4 best video editing apps in 2025. Okay, 4 video editing apps. Then I will explain the 4 of them. This 4 is what I think is the most popular or the best which I have used. So inside this 4, there is one that is very, very much best for you, especially as a beginner. So we have KeyMaster, we have InShot, we have CapCut, and we have VN Video Editor. These video editing apps, these 4 video editing apps you are seeing here, they have a significant role to play each. Later on, I select one which is the best of them. But here I am right now. I want to tell you the number 1 and the only one best video editing app in 2025 for you to use, whether you're a beginner in video editing, you want to be editing your YouTube video by yourself, making your social media video by yourself, or you're making a TikTok video. This video is for you. Stay with me to the end. Then we'll have CapCut. I would say the most popular video editing app in the world right now. Yeah, CapCut has been existing back then. Though I started using CapCut, that was 2019. Yeah, it was 2019 that I know about CapCut. So I started using CapCut back then, and it was amazing. You understand? It was amazing. Fast forward to 2025, I still find the app amazing. So there's a reason why I like CapCut so much as a video editing app. CapCut is a combination, it's more like a combination of Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects, because inside CapCut you can literally do a lot. You do color grading perfectly. It will give you more chances to tweak your color to any level you want it. Then you can add sound effects, you can add effects, some effects that we want to create in After Effects. You can create motion graphic with CapCut if you know how to use it very well. So inside these 4 video editing app, I feel like CapCut is the best and what I would recommend for you to start using as a beginner. So with no doubt, CapCut is the best video editing app in the year 2025. And the reason why is you can literally do everything inside CapCut. And when using CapCut, you can be learning while editing, because you can simply go to the template site and search other templates from other creators. Then you can easily use it. With there, you have some experience on how to create your own template and how to make your own transition, sound effects, text animation, and all that. So if you're just starting video editing, or you want to be editing your video by yourself, go and download CapCut and start using it now. Though everything is not free on CapCut, if you want to level up, you have to get the Pro version, which I would advise. If you have the money to get on the Pro version, kindly do, and you will enjoy it. That's all I have to say in this video. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. See you next time, and as always, stay consistent, stay creative, and stay winning. Thank you.